My name is Seka Makuka. I am at the Honest Conversation with
Molweni bantu bahle, igama lam ndinguVuyiseka Makuka, also known as Love Child, and these are Ekhaya Conversations right here on Ekhaya Sessions. Today I bring you a remarkable man. Igama lakhe nguDumisani Maswana. Thina ke simazi ngoDumisa Maswana. You can't just call him Dumisani. Utaka emihle. He's a radio host. He's a jazz musician. Udlala uhadi, a storyteller. So yeah, he's a lover of God and a lover of art. Dadumisa, kunjani?
I'm good, lover, kunjani?
No, siyacenga mane. Kudala ke ndicengana nesiqu sami ba mandide ndokubize, but ndiyaboyika abantu, even though ingathi ndindwebile, but my thing is bandikhula ndinyaba. Yeah, so ndiyaboyika abantu, and so it takes a lot for me to reach out, and I am so glad that akhange ibe into enzima. I ndithethile nje ba aman ngasikuze yabo, and then wavuma. So thank you so much for uvuma. Yeah, otherwise right.
No, ndiyaphila, Love Child. I think, to be honest, I've been seeing, there's ezinye episodes uKwan would send me, mhlambe, especially xa kukho lo episode ithetha ngento mhlambe that I believe in, okanye mhlambe into acima ndingayiphikisa okanye whatever, but go check a view. But I think more than that, I've seen you starting this movement, and I think fortunately, I think I was fortunate enough to be one of the people that you spoke to about your vision as a musician first, as an emerging or aspiring artist at the time. And I would say, and I think I said, I'm not that person.
Yeah, I remember. It was a conversation on Facebook. But first, we had a conversation. There was a high tea in Performer backbone and you gave me a platform to perform with a live band for the first time at the barn, and I didn't know anything about the art and the industry that is in PE at that time. I only knew the late CM Debele. So CM Debele, we put together a band. It was him, Edgar, Andile, Nomchila, and I performed, and I think that show was one of the moments where I thought to myself, I can't stop now. And thank you for always believing in me. This show is not about me. It's
but I think yes, it is because I think it's also important for abantu bayazi okokuba sikwezi spaces sinendlela esirelate to one another, even though asibonwa together all the time, because umuntu Dumisa sike simbone ekhaya. It is not because akafuna ukuya ekhaya, abantu bazazi into ezinjalo banga assume bayazi ba no, these people actually they are friends, kukho ndingapha. So I think it's important.
Okay. Dumisani, your parents named you Dumisani Maswana. The name itself, Dumisani, like Siya Dumisa. It's when I thought about the igama lakho, ingqondo yami, I was like, so abazali bakho named you Dumisani, and you become someone odumisa.
Yeah. So your there's an interesting story about igama lam. I'm glad that uqala apho, because el gama Dumisani, the interpretation yakho of my name le bendihamba ngayo for many years.
Okay.
Until umama wanixelela a different story.
Okay.
Very silly story, and then ndinaso on tape,
Yeah.
So umama wayeyigirl ekhule iziphethe kakuhle, ngalonke lo maxesha ke. So o sister bakhe at the time, you know, banabantwana bonke wasisheka yena, uyabona. So wanomntana ke ngoku at 23. I don't know uba kutheni 23 wayemdala ngela xesha because 23 umntana, you know.
I mean,
but ke wanomntana ke ondim ke ku-23. So ukukhulelwa kwakhe yayingundaba mlonyeni lento yakhe yokukhulelwa ba because bengela mntana uthenjwayo kwathiwa mjongeni ke, you know. So yena undithiya uDumisani ba Dumisani igama lam ke nina
because ndimithe ndimdala.
So igama lam ke it was out of gossip. Alinando yakwenza alinandi profound. Umama way protester into kokuba lidumiseni. So she would say kum wena waduma abantu nje abantu bebona udumile ngoku waduma usesesiswini wena, you know. Waduma uselapha kum esesiswini kuthethwa ngawe ngapha nangapha. So but I even said mama, you ruined igama lam for me, you know.
Ngoyekile ndingayazi.
Akhona nganixelelanga ba igama lam kaloku into ba unawuhletywa usithiwa nakho umithi ngoku, you know. But I mean it's beautiful because there's something to take into because makhulu moyethe kumna igama lam kwathi nguDumisani uYehova makhulu moyisitsho yena, uyabona akayazi bigeli yona yayinezinto zayo at the time, but it's such a beautiful name.
It is. Talking about names, my mom when umbuza kwamba kotheni kuthi ndinguvuyiseka but kwakukho Vuyokazi no those Vuyokazi no Vuyo don't know yonke into nguvu, and then we named you Vuyiseka. But umna my name ndiyale ndathatha yayintoba it means be surely happy, and so every single day yonke into yonke into endiyenzayo I make sure ba I am surely happy because out of my joy comes my best. Whenever I enjoy something, you're gonna get the best of it. So
and I think that's how that's the person you are. You don't complain a lot.
I know.
You know, you don't complain a lot. I think you always look for into enokonwabisa. Like khona kodwa into the situation imbi yona, you know, but there is something that I can hold on to as I undenza into kokuba. You know, it's such a beautiful name.
Yeah. So growing up in Mushwa, what type of a kid were you? Umntana onjani?
Umntana o curious.
Yeah.
Umntana ondwebileyo, osileyo, ohlenje uyalwa. I think kodwa ndandiziluza i-fights ezininzi. But nanhlenje ke ndiyalwa because I was as a young kid, umntana ohluke kakhulu kwabanye abantwana. You know, soft, clean, ndiyazibaleka into ngathi zine-fights phakathi, even though ke ndaninyanzelekile uba ndilwe because kuzawululwa ngubani, you know. So umntana uyithanda kakhulu kumakhulu wakhe, yayibona, ebuntwaneni bam. So esikolweni very smart, but I think umculo iyona nto endicinga uba mhlawumbi yabakha ubomi bam, because ukuthetha ndakufunda ekuculeni, i-language ndayifunda ezingomeni nasekuculeni. So ndingulaa mntana wekhonza kuzo zonke iinkonzo eziyoni ndipha, you know. There's a story of me ndenzelwa isambatho eHoli, you know, kota dumshwep ndenzelwa isambatho eHoli ndayosinxikiswa i-followers kwenye iziyoni, uyabona. And ayonto yenzekayo leyo because intambo yayibonakala ikhala yayibasiyana kodwa ngibani umntana sanosokolisa ngibani umntana isambatho ndanxitya isambatho nampha because saze yayinqabela imilaliso ndaya kumlaliso kufuphi kwakunxitywe xa kubheka emlalisweni kanje kuyobhaptizwa buyo ke ngoku ndamapha namphi isambatho sabatho makhulu hamba mntanam umbonxityiswa pha. So that I was that kind of a kid. Ndihambe nodabawo siye ewisile, you know, ekhaya umakhulu wam nodaba wam omncinci bakhonza bona church at the time, you know. And I can tell you even though kwakudala, I remember kwakungoma ethi lunga khona uxolo lwenene kwelilizwe limnyama zizono, yabona kuselandscape apho kuse church apho. And then whistle ngoma uqala ndayithandayo isithi Isabatha namhla Nkosi imini yakho bayavuya abantu bakho ngale mini yakho. Ndayithanda ke from that day we slept because babehambe endleleni bebaninzi sikwenyelela kuthiwa kusegcinisa. I remember that I was very young. Ndithanda emva kodaba wami. So naseziyona umzekelo ndinazo ingoma ezikhumbula but nasentlombeni ndikhona where the song ndikhona, you know. Yabona xa kukho ikrwala empolorhweni ndandihlala apha ngaphandle ndizomamela ingoma, you know. So it's very into yamela la hlobo ndihlale phakathi kuthiwa station master don't forget me when you see my face again. Ndiphanga semva ndimamela ezo ngoma ezo, ndizawuzicula ke ngezo ngoma ezo. But also umakhulu wam wayesithi xa ibuye emicimbini yakhe, yena apha imicimbi apha elalini mos nebuye ke emnandi umuntu, xa ufika kwa endlini uzawubakwenza bathatha ipheyile okanye noba ngubani ndizakuculela ingoma. Nalitamsanqa yakwaliwa nguwe itamsanqa yakwaliwa, uzawuxhenza ke ngoku andifundise nezinye ingoma. So I was that child,
Yeah.
you know. So I've always been umuntu othanda umculo, but also because I think this is important as umuntu othanda uzolakaso kakhulu.
Oh yeah.
You know, njengoba abanye abantu kweminye imizi radio ayilayitwa xa kukho ibali nendaba
Yeah.
nemiphanga.
Celibate kaloku.
Umakhulu wam allowed me to listen to radio. Yabona qha ingxaki yakhe yayi-1 ndandiyilibala, wayifika seyisithi xa bakuphela ibhetri ke ngoku, you know. So ndikhule ndingumntana lolo hlobo wethu onwabileyo, but I think othanda kakhulu umakhulu wakhe nothanda kakhulu umakhulu wakhe.
So when does the music thing become a thing now? But okay, this is what I was called for. Then I'm gonna pursue this thing as a career.
There's a friend of mine, Utemba. I mean, abantu ababukele ngoku mhlawumbe bandaziyo, Utemba guys and others, that I started with, Omama Choba, nezicathamia, you know, because ngiqale kwizicathamia nacula zonke ezazinto kwi-group zaselalini. And at the time we had only 2 platforms. It was umculo lo wesintu kunye negospel kanye isicathamia. So there was really yayingekho enye into ngaphaya. So but I think apho ndayithatha khona serious kakhulu is when a friend of mine, Utemba Kwachela, and I mention his name because he's one person, and yithi xa ndithetha nabantu banga-understand xa ndisithi I think I would have been 15 years behind.
Ooh,
you know,
if it wasn't for
in a lot of things that I've been trying apha ebomini bam. I really feel that because each and every big step like in Utemba was always there, you know, whether Dandilwala, and he would give me, because we look at Kalanam, you know, 6 months in between. I would wear impahla zakhe, you know, tatele impahla, you know, njengoba belihwala yena, so xa khulula, you know, he would give me this, you know, even though i-jacket yakhe ndandiyithanda kakhulu sangandinike yona, you know, but when ndinika xa ndizawuya endaweni ethile. So I mention him because when he came to me, a petty cassette, Le Mighty Clouds of Joy, and saying, masiqaleni a group. It's going to be me, you, Tulani was my friend, you know, Tulani was like a god or a but we were based in Ngqushu at the time. Tulani uzocula bass, and then bekuludwe dapo uzocula soprano, you know. Then there was Vukile Mxube, and then there was wakamhluzi kodwa. So but I guess I ended up by 4 or 5 in ekugqibeleni. So when he did that was the beginning of Bombam, you know, basemculweni, because I started writing songs for us, you know. Sometimes I would steal songs from other groups as Nyindao, and he would love those songs. And then one day someone says to him, I know this song from Shower Power, and he would be the first one to call me out. But, didn't you say you wrote this song? You know. So Ilife Yameqala apho ke since high school, you know, when we started our group. I think it was a foundation enkulu kakhulu elifini yam leyo, and I think around that time kulapho ndazixelela khona, because ndandiqala ukucula keyboard umzekelo ngela xesha ke ndiperforme si win competitions ezinkulu, not just just nje for boys, si win competitions ezinkulu ezicula bangene bebe igroup enkulu benxiba igowns bacula dress celebration, singene thina nje asinayo nentoni. Ngoku bese siza besikhweliswe endimlibelela mfo kubantu kanene kwasenqusho, kodwa ke wesana kakhulu weqhube ambulance libele nje igama lakhe apha enhloko asithathe ngeveni yakhe yosibeka kulo competition le yaphinda buye nathi, with the help yabantu abaninzi kakhulu, ifamily kaThemba, ifamily zethu actually sasisiwe kakhulu kumi ekusinombulelo Matinisa, she would buy me yonke into endiyifunayo edibene xa kubethe 200, she's the one on betting 200, and you see we distant relative yam, but ungumama wam at that point in time. So there's so much that I can tell you about where I started and who helped me start, and ndingangawa mention onke amagama, because ke silawulwa lixesha, otherwise I can go on.
Yeah. So you are this time usengqushwa, and akho nto ithi ba mandiyokwenza engineering, mandiyokwenza tourism, mandiyokwenza bugqirha, nurse or whatever. It's just music for you.
Yes, I mean ndandifuna uba ngumsasazi, because I mean I was a Zolakaso fan, but I remember noba sasisenza when there's the public speaking dabhala papa wathi kubuza ufuna ndifuna ukuba yi-journalist, because umsasazi kum yayi-journalist, yayingekho enye into endandicinga entloko. And then I mean I even won competitions writing about that very thing, that I want to be a journalist, I want to be umsasazi, but I think umculo took over, because I think it's one thing that was truly my thing, endinikweyo, that was my gift, because it's something. And uThixo wandinceda wandikhulisa kwindawo that loves music, because umculo uyathandwa ekhaya kakhulu, uyabona, whether kuzawulalwa kuculwe iculo qala kwenza about esizulwini kulalwe, njalo njalo. But so I think when I decided uba ndiyawufuna nyani ukwenza lo mculo, and these are the only platforms ezikhoyo apha, gospel, or then I moved to PE, because my friends now were in other places, or Themba babe say university or Ludwe because nyindawo njalo njalo. So I followed Themba no Vukile because they were here, and I thought that we were still going to go on. And then fika kwamapha ke ndaye Bible school. So nge-Mondays ndandingayingeni class, I would then go to Scott, bonga nditulwana, and yochopa kwakhe wayesahlala I think 8 at the time. Siqwala pha kwakhe sibaninzi nge-Monday. So i-Monday zam I knew into kokuba, so Bible school ke ndandinikwe uMonday uba mandiclean yard, because ndandifumene ibhasari. So the only way for me to work for that bursary was to clean the yard pha esikolweni. Uyabona. So nge-Mondays mandikho mna pha ndipha kwabongani, bendenza lo mgezi lapha ezintsukwini ndithi kuye, I was doing ubufundisi, ndandifundela ubufundisi, and then I met the devil. Then I met the devil, so kulapho ke ngoku ndicinga uba, because ufika kwamapha ubongani wandifundisa a lot of things. I remember, and actually he remembers, but I used to come ndifike ndihlale ndibamamele besenza yonke laa nto, then ndazifihla abantu umuntu okwazi ucula. Qha ke xa ungumntu uculayo ndimanohamisha ukuthi hamisha kamandi mani le poni, uyabona. So manondiba ndicula ngenye imini andibuza befuna ndiyakwazi ucula, and his excitement when he realized but I can really sing, and ndenza idemo zam ke, ubongani is my mentor, to this day, actually, umhlambi now there's really nothing much he's teaching me, but he remains that person who taught me. I mean, he's the one person that took me to a Joburg, for that matter. He said to me, Tumza funeka uhambe apha eBhayi ndizawuthakathwa. Baninzi ukofa abantu abanetalente apha eBhayi, but ngenxa yendlela iBhayi kufundisa ngayo, mentality yalapha iza kumosha wena. You know, he literally said uzawuthakathwa. So
Yeah.
I understood later what he meant by that. Then Masambe, you know, Socho Gauteng wandiintroduce kuchomi zakhe. Wandibhatalela indawo yokuhlala ndingekafiki pha.
Amen.
You understand?
Yeah.
Wandibhatalela indawo yokuhlala pha ndingekafiki. Xa ndifika pha kwathola mjita lo ezasikhangela indawo ityile imali. But it's a story for another day. Wandishiya nenye family uvukile eXoli kwalapha eBhayi. Ozichomi zabo bakhula bonke. Wathi hlaleni lo mjita man. Anizohlala naye for a long time. I know this guy. When we are on time, you know, we're on time. So and they were kind enough. And my first album I recorded with those people. So that's one of the people that played that role, you know, into becoming Utumza Maswana that I am.
Thank you for sharing him with us also. Because I remember I spoke about this in one of the episodes. I remember I was going to perform show hip hop and I wanted to stand out. And then I had this song in my head, Khango Mandifuna. I backtrack yayo, ibe jazzy.
Yeah.
So na conductor when baya tatumza. Mega man. Akwam nomazi yona recorded the backtrack and you're like, the man was caught and it and you gave me his number. And so I went to him. Ndamfonela wathi ba, okay, uzofika ngomso ngo-10. Nyani, fortunately ndingumntu olibamba ixesha. Nyani, because I learned later ba uyakwazi unqonqoza pha kuye ekhona ba ubuthe uzafika ngo-10 ufike quarter past 10. Yeah. So ndafika phayana and ndimxelela ama ndifuna ukwenza into ethile ngohlobo nohlobo and then athi hayike so 250 I think 250 hour ngela xesha athi komaye 250k hour ndathi yo dinalo 200 babuza ba is there a pianist endiyaziyo nathi ngisiya Mdebele and then he said to me ba okay uzawunika usiya Mdebele 100 rand and then nike nam 100 rand then 50 rand nizawukhwela ngayo xa nisiza nizokwenza lento and we did it and okoko ke ndandibambelele up until this day. So thank you for sharing him with us. So you are in Joburg, you're recording this album. Nguye lona.
Don't get me started. Nguye lo Thixo.
Ndimvumela thanda ndim.
Mfela yabona. Namachita yandizonda. Ndiqala nje ku-industry sendine-haters. Sendine-haters ngenxa yamantombi. Namachita yandizonda. Yintswakazi emnyamazana ndithethe ngqotho.
Uyanikwa, vele unikwa.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but in there was a song called Changed Man.
Oh.
Yo.
Come ke ndicule kancinci.
Oh man.
Kudala ngutekaye dinomtsalane kuchabalo wam ogomdulo thakathi weyo amandla amathathiwe dandilele disebuthongweni haya ndilile uthongorha zizinto nje zangabom bafika bazenzela belimazi kamva lapha ngobuchule nezondelelo. I'm a changed man. I'm a free soul. You know that one of that song. And the strangest thing about that song in the Gokba, I've started I think the according to you but I'm rehearsing that song again with my Eziko band because it fits so well because it started with the guitar. So now I feel like it's home. And many other songs actually, or Eloi, they started with the guitar with me and Bongani, Tuluana. So I'm back there. That song, ithi iyaqhubeka ke ithandizidli ngezolo lam ndizenzile isigigaba bendigxeka emacaleni abeza kumba ndibonisa indlela ndamemeza konamandla ndazondlala andashiya nto imbilini yami ihlanjiwe ndombathiswa ngamandla amatsha. I'm a changed man, I'm a free soul. Ithi bandivalela intilongweni befuna ndililibale igama lam asoze ndizilibale ndiphuma phina igama lam imvelaphi yam ndiyayithanda. Ithi ke ubegqibeleni ndandithala ndifuneka ibe ngathi iyakhumsha somehow ndithi funny how you look at me, you see what others cannot see in me. I am wonderfully made, I am fearfully made, your image in the reflection of me. So I still live that message. I think it was a song from Umfana Okulayo or Umvandedwa, of whatever. People were making fun of me, because I was different in so many, in so many ways. Kwa Umfana Okulayo, Umfana Okulayo lalini ndoni ngoku. And ndikhumula ndixoxa isicatha mina ndandicula nanye isicatha mekuthiwa ndaqala kubonwabisi kuba Zolisi, it was the juniors kubonwabisi ndacula nabonwabisi kwathiwa pha ndagxotha kuba kuthiwa ndinevayivayi xa kusengubani laa ntombi wemadoda kuthiwa nantsithi kubani laa ntombi inyathela kancane kwathiwa kawuphume uzokwazi ukucula isicatha miya kaloku ngevayivayi up, So but I got bullied a lot ngento ezininzi and but ngelo xesha yayingekho la language of saying this is what's happening. You were being abused, but there was no language for it because inkwenkwe yayikhulwa ngendlela ethile kakade. But apha engqondweni yam there was something wrong with this, yayingahlali kakuhle. And I think I believe that because I believe noba life yam was preserved nguThixo ngabom for isizathu sakhe, because I think uThixo endisebenzisa kakhulu ngoku ngendlela ezininzi kakhulu, not just for me, but for a lot of people. So I think God preserved me, and the fact that at a young age I had that revelation about this is not supposed to be normal, yoba woyika ugoduka, woyike yonke into funeka ibe nefiye nje bukhula nje ukhula kwifiye ungulo mntu lo. So I knew that it was wrong. So that song was talking about those things, but it was also talking about other things that people did not know. That's why in city bandivalele entilongweni befuna ndililibale igama lam, because you always know who you are, but you will not be allowed to be that person. So it can funny how you look at me, you see what others cannot see in me. So that song still means so much to me to this day. But I wrote it when I was very young.
Imagine. I'm glad that it's coming back. I can't wait for the next Eziko.
But that album, okay, the record and figure Gauteng.
Yes.
So uzamncama kama ndiyandazi ndiyadoba ndisistoryteller. So le ngoma ndijibanise Gauteng nje. Kukho ubhuti kuthiwa okay anzolibiza igama lakhe but ngowecompany ethile. So uArt Dlephu, amamazo art uArt asakhule athi nabani, but lo bhuti uthandwa manathi uyasithanda song. So I was not really part of anything, but uArt wathi mandehambe nabo. Art no Roger, they were signed to a certain company, but I think they were having problems in that company at the time. So babebevana nalo bhuti ngoku, so bandicela bamasabheke kweLimpopo kuyocula elathetha into zamndahamba nami. Pha xa sifika akho nto sisebenzayo, i-sound lebekuthiwa ikhona zizipika nje ze-hi-fi.
Hayibo.
No one wants to perform. You know what I did? Ndine-backtrack mos, ne? Ndathi ngicela kufakwa i-backtrack pha yafakwa pha kulaa nto odlala, yadlala kwezaa zipika zalapha. Ndama apha that to believe a voice. And that guy could not believe in the ndingacula ngolo hlobo nje and not mind. After that, he signed me.
Yeah.
You know, and I recorded my album. And I was already performing anyway. You know, because within 3 months in Zakhautinas, I already had a band. I was playing with Sam Ibe, an amazing drummer. I was playing with Usfiso Shabalala, who was a pianist. I was playing with Mimchiraga Shabalala and the young Sunny boy Mashale. You know, I mean, those are still my people. And then, bebaninzi nabanye endisebenza nabo ndifika usikhoda manje ukuthi yafundisa une band ingoma wenifundisa mos ingoma apha yena ingoma ze jazz you know, or I love you for sentimental reasons, I hope you believe me, I give you my heart. I didn't really like those things, but yeah, it's necessary for me because feel my job.
Yes.
To like record restaurants as I'm going to you know, oh, L is for the way you look at me, you know, and he uses this guy away because I think that in the land gospel so you know, so I recorded that album and he recorded no fukile xolo
yes
kamba langoma ithi langoma ithi ndizama ucinga ba unguye lo lengoma ithi nguye lo si udlala i-loops clunk 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 clunk. I think la loop yayibizwa yayibhalwe ngegama layo phansi ayikhumbula kakuhle lo mini leyo yayibhalwe ngegama layo Faith yayibhalwe Faith la loop yayibhalwe Faith la loop. So nathi ndayibuza kwinto ba ungakwazi ukuthatha lento uyenze ibe progression epheleleyo, you know, but hayi ungayenza uyayithanda nemayi wayenza ngokwakhe yaphelela ndathi nguye lona udali wami xa uphinde uyimamela kakhona ungacula ngokuthi life oh life oh life oh life wayenza ngelo hlobo. So I mean it was really beautiful, people loved it, but when I figure studio, so many voices in my head, you know, so many voices in my head, and not the producer, but the people that were recording me. You know, now I must reference Oringo now, you know, Obanbani, Bandinongo Menga Defana Gastombi Mavi, Funagandi Coupe, Dimkupo Stombi Mavi, you know, until Isowetan was the first paper. You know, some kumula I think I'm going to cook analysis, but so in the guy batata is city sleeve by print and check print and normal batata la and talk about by tibanisa nje ibon abayenza la hlobo enzo ngalo zange yeside pheleleyo so ndifunda ke ngole review ephepheni kodwa lo sokuqala kufike apha I cover. I had to really encourage myself to listen to this. But I go be courage and I mamel because I think mamele I carve the mamela. But I go okay nice. Mamele ngomez telenesilnes. Molo lo mfano na talent. But it's like the bezloti. I wish he can find his voice and stop being a Ringo wannabe. And immediately damvu Ringo. And I hated that album. You know, I hated that album. So it was that journey, you know, of discovery up to Umolo. You know, I don't want to uxela Umolo kakhulu, but I mean this year it's 10 years of Umolo, and it's 20 years since that Joburg this club and Yogonzele way. You know, so Glonyaka just celebrated two things, but. 2006, I left Gqeberha for Joburg, and then 10 years later, I'd recorded an album that would change my life, Umolo. You know, I recorded Umolo after Sisenza a tribute to Victor Ndoni with an orchestra. So, and I learned deeper go Victor Ntoni because nansazi la ngoma lithi yini sendihleli ndinjena so that was only like that song and then I learned other songs ke ngoku because dance izingoma ezizaculwa nguye you know and then I learned a lot but my voice now through him I would say I found my voice. I appreciated my voice even more now.
Yeah.
You know, and then I wrote songs for this voice.
The importance of finding your voice in this, because it's now when Gondanfika, people wanted me to do ingoma zonke, amazing artists and vocalists, but I've always wanted to tell my story. I've always wanted to to heal people and don. And once I did that, it's something that we barely talk about, the difficulties of finding people that abazakuthatha as you are. It's very few. Like, take me through that journey, like when you found your voice, and now that your voice you have found you can at least have a reference. You don't have to. It's more like a child that ucula ngohlobo and then xa udibana nomntu ucula okay no right
yeah
mosi akho wrong with how I sound and don't know. So take me through the challenges of from you finding your voice up until where you are like currently now.
Yeah. Before I go there, when I was here, I think 2 weeks ago or last week, I can't remember.
Last week.
Yeah, so ndimke apha ndisilwe ne-audience yakho. So this lady says to me, but in a loving way, awuzohamba bungayicula ngoma kaMandisi ethi, you know, ndiqoma uthetha nomntu wrong. Ndithi ezam ingoma ziculwe ngubani xa ndizocula zikaMandisi. Ndithi ingoma zam xa ndizocula ingoma zikaMandisi ezam ziculwe ngubani, you know. And she's like, no, atsho ndiculela ke le ngoma kaMandisi ba. Kawujike ucula ngoma kaMandisi, you know. I loved it because I mean I'm like, I know when I love the song, but ngcono ndiziculela ngokwam kuba ke ndifuna uyicula. But if you want to experience Mandisi through muzawungama namhlanje, you know. But I'm just saying, you know, but it happens, you know, that abantu, they always look for someone when they're listening to you. They are always looking for omnyumtu. They can't take you for who you are and what you are presenting. They always look for umntu who is known, who's maybe bigger than you. You know, mhlambe kuthiwe khawucula ngoma umzekelo mna would hear abantu besithi yo undikhumbuza Isaac Hayes, you're better white, all those people. You know, I'm like, no. But especially Victor Ntoni, you know. And xa ndisithi kubo, actually, even before I realized bakukho umuntu Victor Ntoni, which I realized much later, before Denzo Molo.
Yeah.
You know, but abantu bayayazi ba dakhuliswa ngumculo wakhe, which is not really true. But I did find something in his music, you know. But I've been singing, you know, but I needed to hear Victor Ntoni for me. Yes, yeah, but just so that ndizofumana some space. So Bravik, through him, I found a voice. I appreciated my baritone a bit more. Because but not until someone came to me and said, "Hey, Dumza, ibona ngoma ithi andikho, undikhumbuza uVictor Ndlazilwana this time around." You know, ngumzimdola. He says to me, "Dumza, I want you to come to, let me know when you're coming to East London." It's like, Mamelisa, uVictor Ndlazilwana. And then I tell him, "Hey, Puti, you know, I respected him, you know, because he loved me, but he loved music. He had like collection for days. Yeah, jazz." So and then see, we have a coffee, and then he plays the songs for me. Oh, when unxibilokwe sufane weze sikopanga wo nezinye igoma ke ilanga lingekatshoni kubomathunza mnyama. And I said, do you know how I cried? Because I love jazz. You know, I love jazz, and I've been hearing that sound in my head, but there was no reference. Yeah, when he played that, and I can tell you that that's a sound that I love to this day. You know, many years, a person that I've never met, many years later, he influenced me in an amazing way. You know, so Victor Ndlaziluana. So finding your own voice. I think we need to be honest, Ndogogba. We are unique, but we have pieces of other things that that raised us.
Yeah.
You know, voice of Makuluam here, and the approach ka Victor Ndlaziluana, and the low notes ka Victor Ndoni, and the high notes ka Sibongile Khumalo. We have pieces of we have all those pieces, you know. And then as was looking UDumza Maswana. Not that UDumza does not have his own voice, you know. I do have my own voice, and you can tell bang uDumza luculayo, you know. But uzandiva xa ngicula inote ethile ba undikhumbuza ubani. Yinto leyo ekhoyo that you can never run away from unless you grow up without ukumamela, you know. Because even when I was younger, I would sing like my grandmother.
Yeah,
you know,
because
that's what I knew.
Yeah.
I would sing like my grandmother. Okanye uMahade beba phezulu kucula ingoma ethi Jongani zilo zam zilele phezu kondubuza umoya, yabo. Yeah, so this as we're not that unique, bacaba ngathi ungaphuma kwenye planet. Wedwa nje na kulo planet you would have been inspired, you would have heard music na kulo planet leyo, yabo. So I think, but it is important to have your own. When you was talking about Mondays, when you're listening to Mondays, you can hear that's Mondays. You know, and I think I must say this, Ndokukba. He's one of the artists that made it fashionable. You know, that made our sound fashionable. Yeah, and many others. I mean, I think I'm one of those people as well.
Yes.
You know, but I think he did it big. Uyabona, ukukwicha, you know, ukukwicha, he does it so effortlessly. And I mean, there's even about online about which I think in but I know the importance of what he's doing. He writes his own music, but he would take church songs and as when you level abantu bengade baziva okokuqala, you know, but I think he also takes people back to, you know, and he takes us to those places, you know, that you know, because on our ezo he takes us, but he's not only doing that, he's taking that sound yasemakaya to the next generation. So as angomama ndisazicula ezizokufa,
preservation,
yes,
actually, yeah,
as angomama ndiziculayo azizokufa, they're going to the next generation. You know, abantu bangathetha zonke izinto abanga-understand.
In emihle in 20 years time bazawuqhubekeka bombele because utatabo left this legacy.
I think that's like this band fan. Fan. And that is something that I'm not for that matter, you know, because I'm a fan of music.
Yeah.
One thing, and I'm sure you know, I don't think there's any artist that goes to shows like I do.
Yeah.
I don't care about it, and I'm not saying in a competition, but just to say I'm a fan of music. Artists Africa a music kitchen, I go there. You know, sometimes I'll be the first one to buy a ticket immediately.
Yeah.
So I'm that person. I love music, you know, even more than singing.
So you're finding your voice.
Yes,
Don't worry.
I know it was a weird question. Yeah.
You're finding your voice. You found your voice actually, and you right now you're no longer signed to the company you were signed in, and you embark on this journey of being an independent musician. Was that deliberate? Because I think many of us, Tina, we become independent because nobody wants to sign us. But abanye abantu, they make conscious decisions about, you know what, this is the journey that endizawuhamba kuyo. So for you, was it a matter of, okay, now I'm in this journey, I'm going to be independent, and I don't want anything to do with being signed and stuff like that?
I think let me start by saying that I never chose Ugungasaino.
Okay.
You know, it was not a dream, you know, go company and sign, you know. I wanted to be signed, but I was told so many things, you know, that I was a hard sell, you know, njalo njalo. Yabona kukho nezinto ezibalulekileyo intoba mhlawumbe andinayo la sex appeal,
Yeah.
you know, andinayo la nto. I mean, I'm not saying no one said that to me, but and that is what I was running away from. But now I was going to begin to define myself by closed doors, you know, by abantu abangani understand yo bandenza ntoni ndithi akhondo zam. So when I stopped doing that, you know, I think I realized why I needed to do what I'm doing ngendlela endenza ngayo, and proved to myself and many other artists in Ndokokba, you don't always have to be signed, you know. But I can say in Ndokokba, mhlawumbe if ndandisayiniwe, mhlawumbe would have been kwenye level ephambili akho umuntu uyaziyo, we don't know. So I don't think there's anything wrong, because I see a lot of signed artists who are doing well, who are happy, you know. But I think if I were to be signed, I think I would need the management now, because I'm terrible at managing myself. Perfect example. I didn't know when I'm trying to do the interview when it was. I didn't know. 25 minutes later, I'm like, what's the time? What time is our interview? My interview is at 10. But I'm just saying, it's those little things, you know. It's those little things as in management is very important for that, because mna ndifika showini amaxesha ebuhlungu sekubhlungu ndijonge amatikiti ba amatikiti athengwa i7 amatikiti athengwa i7 intontoni. So it's
the music
side of it, I worry about my band, you know. And kumna ndila inhliziyo I like ingathi kube mnandi apho ndikhoyo, you know. And I always feel like abantu engicula nabo okanye abantu omthokozisi osakhile simani o Elviro o Nompozolo, you know. I always feel like about those guys, and that's a reality. They do beyond for me, beyond the staging. You know, they sacrifice a lot of things to make me sound amazing. So I always worry about those things. But imagine if Ben's a younger and this whole 2 weeks and I can't pay them, you know. But if been in the management, you know,
that was going to be taken care of.
Yeah, babezakwazi into kokuba bayothetha neecompany ezithile bandifumane isponsor apha, because manje xa ndifika apha ndizawufika phaa ndingakwazi ukuzithengisa bendithi babe nesizama man noba KFC, you know, noba ngamabhaketi amathathu, you know, but they would know. So I think that's the only thing endicinga uba ibe yiproblem kum, okanye ayiproblem. Otherwise I think, I mean, Utemba lo bendithetha ngaye earlier, Utemba was my manager. During the time I was managed by Utemba and company yabo, it was moving. Utemba uSolethu, and I think they were working with I forget the other two guys, I'm sorry. But when I was working with those two guys, you know, izinto zabo were moving. I did a tour without worrying about the band, without worrying about into ezithile. They made those things happen for me, you know. And baqiniseka besidlala samaphepheni every now and then, magazines that I never dreamt before. It was because there were other people who were worrying about this news, you know. So you do need that, you know. But I think for me, I want to own my masters. I mean, I own my masters. That's beautiful. But if I'm going to own my masters, it's not going to help anything long. So that is why it's important. Also, as fun is, you know, I have a lot of time in my hands, but abanye they don't have time, you know. So ndenzela uba umuntu omameleyo, ndingabeka ndibethelela ndiconfirma into beyicinga uba I don't need. No, sometimes you do. Sometimes you do need to be signed. Sometimes you do need a manager. You know,
We know man is an island also. I look at myself and there's a lot that ndiyenzayo on my own and excelayo. But I know if there were other people,
extra
this
hands,
thing would have gone like further than what it is, because I can take care of a lot of things at the same time, but I need
reality.
Yeah, for instance, the last episode, conversations can't light because I was alone and I didn't check to the T. Yeah, but it's a mistake that okay, the next time I shoot, okay, I need to double check. As long as, and then even to that in this fundisa. Okay, John, we're gonna shoot now. This is, I think also in the bio, you're independent in us learning about a lot of things, so that xa ufika kwabantu abayenzayo lento ukwazi uthetha that language ba okay ndifuna i-video that's 16:9 for an example and uzawufota ngohlobo i-iOS ithi i-focus ibe ngohlobo sound has to be lewe nalewe, and if I didn't learn all of these things on my own bendingasoze ndikwazi uthetha that language. But now I can easily have a team, but ndiyayazi ba lento ndiyifuna into ethile nento ethile nento ethile. And so talking about that, do you think ba it's our responsibility to put people on? Because you did it for me, you did it for Ulike. There's who's this guy edlaling man like edlali Katariwa une no Kanti. Also, like, you know the type of people that come to your shows, but you always make sure you bring someone in so that and we don't know what might happen. So do you think that is a responsibility for us every chance we get to share a spotlight to say with the younger generation of artists?
Impendulo ikhonye apho.
Okay.
You know, because there's pros and cons in everything, you know, ozama ukuyenza. Number one, mina ndingumuntu othandayo naturally to be accompanied by people.
Okay.
And ndiyathanda ufaka abantu ezintweni. You know, I like sharing my platform. And I would get to a point up when you feel bad when I said no, you know, and so it's good to faka abanye abantu, you know, but sometimes you into a limit.
Yes.
You know, don't be seen like umdu who's always accompanied all the time.
Yeah.
Allow people to love you.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you do need to know, you do need to measure, you know, but abantu bayakuvana okanye njengoba bendize no Likay no Xanti no Love Child, so we're all sharing 25% audience that is there, you know. So if you're always with a lot of people, you may not be able to measure the growth yako as an artist, you know. But sometimes I feel sometimes there's bonuses that is bangel you know, because I'm trying to be what I never had. You know, I'm trying to be the big brother that I wanted when I was trying out Mkulu, you know, to others. And sometimes that thing it is toxic.
Yeah.
You know, it's not always good, you know, to always want to big brother people, you know, to always want to put people on.
Yeah, because the artists ziyakwazi ukuthi kangendu cele bama uncede. And ibe London ndinya uqomba ndim lo uzenze clever ndibone ilight ndibone ilight ndaqomba you know what singayenza isibane esikhulu sizawulighta everywhere.
Yeah.
And lo muntu comes to you and says I didn't ask for you to help me.
Yeah.
And rightfully so.
And I think it's important also when you do something, don't do it so that people can clap hands for you.
Yeah.
You know, do it because you feel Ntokuba. But I think I'm slowly moving away from that. You know, I'm slowly moving away from that because sometimes, let's be honest, sometimes you get used by people.
Yeah.
You know, abantu bakuyuse, and sometimes when you need them, abako, even they are not there for you. You know, but I think now I'm lucky enough to have, you know, to have a beautiful community, you know, of musicians. Apho ndiza kuthi khona andizokwazi uba khona, you know, and I don't feel bad. I won't be able to put you on, you know, and not feel into okokuba, because they understand into okokuba uyabona. So I've always wanted to be umntu who please everyone. That's why it's somehow iba toxic, because some opportunities are for you, you know. Sometimes you toiled for that opportunity, and then go figure pa, you ufuna uza nabantu abaninzi kanti ufuna ukuze wedwa, uyabona. Xa uthi qe ngoku sithi we are many faces, umuntu aqonda ba no man, it's okay Tumzo, it's okay, you know, thina besifuna wena, you know. And also abanye abantu bahamba nemimoya yabo, you know. Those are other things that yabona la nto besincokola ngayo earlier on into okokuba uyafumanisa ukuthi abanye abantu i-language yabo ayifani neyakho, you know, things they believe in azifani nezakho. Nditsho ke ngokwe-ethics, you know. No, I'm not necessarily talking about spirituality or anything like that, but ndithetha ngokwendlela yokusebenza nokwenza izinto. Andithethi ilanguage enye, abanye abantu barhwada out there, and when they are seen with you niboshwa ngebhandenye ba ezatsho mbuvile mozisithi abantu baka-love child, you know. And that's how it is. Abantu bona uhamba nabo, abantu around wena xa besenza ezinye izinto, sometimes uqatywa ngala paint nayo ibe ngathi ngaba abantu bangendlela ethile. So there's good things, but also there's bad things. But I'm learning from other artists who are really doing this thing alone and yes,
excel. Yeah. Also, I think with how the world is like social media and don't now, it's easy for artists to have their music online. Of course, dingo said distribution and don't, but it's gonna take you longer, to get on radio, to get in the ads, Pick n Pay or wherever. But because if you were signed by Londole, figure fast. But yeah, so 10 years, in 20 years of that, you going to Joburg, and then 10 years of Umolo. Now you are a radio host, which is a dream that you as a kid had.
Oh man. Yeah, every day ndivuka ndiye ndithi thank you Lord that you gave me. Bambalwa kakhulu abantu abaphila impilo yabo okanye baphila amaphupha abo, and I'm one of those people. I'm not phila amaphupha am. You know, ndiphila amaphupha am kakhulu. You know, God is really looking after me, you know, ngendlela nje mangalisayo. And it's like, it's amazing, man. Radio has given me another enye into engandicinge, you know. Ndingumuntu obathandayo nyana abantu, ndibathanda kakhulu abantu, and I know ndingumuntu onenhliziyo enhle. And I think uThixo uyakuvuza xa ungumuntu onenhliziyo elolo hlobo olo. I mean, andithi xa ndingabizwanga next year radio ndixothiwe, you know, ndithi ayizoba iproof yoba uThixo no. But I'm just saying lokokuba this is a rare opportunity. There are so many gifted people out there. You know, but uThixo uthandile that this time, young boy from Engqushwa was raised by his grandmother, who used to listen to radio and dream about radio. uThixo zangalibalela phupho. You know, zangalibalela phupho uThixo. And I do want to say again, when I said God rewards abantu abenza into is right, you know, because when you put something, sometimes when you put people on who really need to be put on, but I'm not saying funeka be identity yakho ba wena uyaputa on umputoni wena into yakho, yabona. God rewards you, you know, because I believe in okokuba yes, it is my talent and all those things, but I think there are other things, you know, being a good person, you know, not trying to be a good person, but allowing yourself to be used by God, you know, then God rewards you. As izinto that I never fought for a life in, as is a lay, but because, and when sometimes I would remember later on, you know, about, you know, so let's just be good people and isn't those that
yeah.
And this has been nice because I'm now in like I'm nice and diabetwa apha esandleni kubu nice bam.
You know, be a good person, but
be a good person, but ungabi nice ngatulikeza ndifana nami. Yo.
Eziko Heritage Festival. Eziko
ijinja bethuna ne. Ndiyayicacisa. loo nto ke ithe itshintshe lapho ka-love child. So Eziko.
Yeah.
Oh man, yibona ke ngqibene isikibha saseziko. Awukwazi ukuthetha ngeziko kaloku, you know. Yandixolela my PR lady walapha eziko, yandixolela because izinto zethu sasihlanganisa. Mna ke andizokwazi ukuthula bethuni, you know. Andizokwazi ukuthula, andiyazi uba izawuba andiyazi uba izawulenda phi le podcast. Sorry Zen. So eziko, ukuzalwa kweziko, it was my way of responding to a guilt that I feel. Yokokuba, the music that I do, the language that I speak, the art and the culture that I represent, you know, inabantu bayo and bapha ezilalini, you know, either ingoma ndiyibhalile okanye is influenced by bona okanye sometimes ndiyithathile, you know, injalo ndayilungisa ba mayisound ehlobo ndifuna isound ngalo. And then ufika kwayo lento engqondweni yami, it was yayifana nento ba otata behamba beyokomba emgodini, but they can't even afford una current where necklace, you know, at the very thing bebeyihumba pha kokwabo.
Yeah.
When it's now refined and ready for the market, they can't buy it, you know. So for me, that's how I felt about it, and I felt so bad, you know. Now that Ndungudumza Maswana, who's made up of these stories, this is Darlene and people that I met along the way. Aba bantu abakwazi ukuya theater, you know. Aba bantu abakwazi ukuya theater, abakwazi ukuya for many reasons, you know. People cringed when I said this. Now when I grew up, mama wekhaya, you're not allowed to go to a concert. Mama womzi, ufuna concert, you know, it was something, and izizinto kakhulu ezenzeka elalini ezo. Fana nale, I always get excited when I see bana bangosisi benxibe isikhafu sabo nentoni bebaleka bejima besithini, you know, because they understand, but this is about health, guys. Ayinanto nezinye izinto, you know, and the husbands now
open minded,
but kwezinye ilali ezazinto they are not allowed. Mhlawumbe bakhona allowed noma bangazenzela igroup uba wende umuntu oculayo yintoni uzabe usemzini nokubala kuye practicing, you know, uzishiba untombini ezo zinto ezo, just like being a man, you know. Some years ago ungenothi into ube ubethana nekadala.
Yeah.
So I think but into yami bindiwatsha kakhulu into kuba abantu they don't have access to us, and yet they made us. So that let me take my music to them. And then I'll be accompanied. So I needed to strip down the band. We can still sing, you know. And and it became that we did that. And my friends from Joburg and other places, they followed us. Sahamba a group of 15 people. And it was amazing. And out of that, this was born as the Heritage Festival. You know, in Ngqusho there's a beautiful town called Hamburg.
Yeah.
Well, say Ilali, and there's a beach pa. In a life, yes, as Lalini, kuyalinywa, kufuyiwe inkomo nentoni, and it's a place that we used to go to, Sangabandwana. Uba uphosibwe ukubheka elwandle nge-first, uxola ngo-April. Asobuphinde uye kaloku.
Yeah.
Ungathi uphosa ukuba kwesikrobe ebomini bakho. So i-memory yam ngala ndawo, it's so beautiful, you know. Inhle kakhulu. So we'd go there, siye phe ezilalini, siye eHamburg elwandle, but it was about ulwandle it was not about the people, you know. So Eziko took me to the people. They came and I said to them, I want you to hear how you sound through me. And you sound exactly like this. Because I want you to see how beautiful you are, and I want you to see how amazing your art is. And ifune qha xa bengafuna undibhatala so umntana omgquba ndikhoma khani imini kalomntana andizomntana omgquba kaloku epeyini kaloku andizokwazi epeyini betinongumntana omgquba ndipeye, you know. So it was birthed by that, you know, need to take my music to them, you know, babene access. But it was a beginning of something so big, you know, that this year we are working on this Eziko Heritage Festival. It speaks to
Hamburg.
Hamburg. Azikaphume artists, azikaphume isenizwe esiyenzayo kwangoku.
Bengicinga ukuthumelela imali nje. Secure zam.
No, kaloku siza kwehleni zakuxelela ungakhabe uyithumela ke kodwa. Ungakhabe uyithumela ndakubuyisela itshintshi uba amatikiti cheaper ndakubuyisela itshintshi zawukha phezulu kwangoku, you know. But I think this is very important. So I want to talk to the camera ke Lava. And I think I want to show abantu how important it is to support Eziko Heritage Festival. You know, okokuqala isezilalini siyithathile sayisa pha ebantwini, you know, and asenze nje lonto leyo. We want to inspire kids as pha elalini, but at the same time we want to take people to a place where heritage is not just a concept but it's a life lived, you know. Ayonto nje bakuthiwe xa uthule nge-heritage abantu bacinga ngeengoma nento nemixhenso, but no, bacinga nge-beats nemibhaco kucinga nge-heritage. No, it's more than that. We speak, sithetha ngomhlaba, kuyalinywa phaa, you know, kufuyiwe phaa, and that is our heritage, you know. But the language phaya ithe we want abantu abangazange abasuka mhlambi from Pretoria or Cape Town ongazange ubamba umbele ngomo, you know. We're going to give you that experience, you know. Ubazange uyithwale eMerio Kamanzi Mlanjeni, we want to give you that experience, you know, in this content making, you know. But it's more than just the content. Indawo zokulala abantu bazawulala pha emizini, you know. Sawuvula imizi was going to be BNBs can other than, but how nice it would be if you can come with your friends niyokuhlala kwaRonda nibe 6, you know, nihlala kwaRonda nivuke nivase ebhafini, you know, elahlobo sasenza ngalo nathi, you know, but ke sekwishower zemizini ngoku even though kuselalini. So I really want you to support us. I'm asking you to support us wherever you are. Let us go to a Hamburg. It would be great if we could have at least 5,000 people there. You know, we call it Eziko Heritage Festival Umgidi Wabantu. You know, so masiyenze into lapha Eastern Cape as much as into is abisengqoshwa, but into Eastern Cape. And I pray that abantu basengqoshwa bangeza. We are going to do promos. People are going to see what is going to happen. But it is so big, you know. Sebe khona abantu abokuhlala. Umzekelo ukhona umuntu sesinike inkomo. Kalama wathi ayikho inkomo engenamgidi. You know. What awukho umgidi ongenankomo. You know. But awukho umgidi ongenankomo wathi nuts. You know, bakhona bathi hayi sawunsile umqombothi. You know. But it's not just about that, but it's about even the programs that we're going to do. We're going to do workshops. We're going to look for artists as Ngushwa that are going, that as Tembisayo. We are going to workshop them, show them how to take a presentation yako in a professional manner. You make a stage. We're going to give them that. But it's you know,
let's go.
So I'm already seeing it actually. All those things, you know. So it is really gonna be amazing. I want abantu basuke Kapa, abantu basuke Limpopo, from Venda, from Pretoria, from East London, from Mthatha, you know. I know from a PE, but I can tell you, I know exactly what's going to Kampa. and people are going to you can ningaza nentente yenu uba nifundela le ntenteni, you're very much welcome to do that, you know. Also pa kuselwandle pa, you know, kuselwandle, so it's going to be really amazing. So please come and support us. This thing we need for our community, for our people. Ke siye kuba seziculo down qha ke siye straight ebantwini ke sobanika, and it's a fun experience that you never thought.
Come on now.
Diyaphela apho.
Hey, siyabulela. Siyabulela. I'm looking forward. I think and kulonyaka ndizixelela ba everywhere I wanna go there. Yabo ngoku ndine I bought tickets for yobukela uXoli in Cape Town.
Wow.
May.
Yeah.
So I'm going there. So bendizixelela ba everywhere noba kukude phi, but if I want to see Eziko Heritage Festival, I'm going to make sure it's going to happen. So I'll definitely be there. Kodwa ke, thank you so much for ukuvuma kwakhona. I hope people are going to learn and be better people, be better artists kule conversation that landibone siyenzileyo. Otherwise, this is Dumza Maswana. My name is Visek Amaguga, and thank you for watching. We'll see you again on our next episode. Jabulela kakhulu.
Thank you.